Hello everyone, this is Misbah, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to add tags to your funnels. Alright, so you're going to open up your funnel and go to automation rules. Now here I have my squeeze page, so this is where I'm collecting email addresses, and I want to add a tag on everyone who gave me their email addresses, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to click on add rule. Trigger will be funnel step form subscribed, and it will automatically select the page. And then you click here on action and click on add a tag. I would recommend that you add a tag, especially on a squeeze page, because without a tag, you won't be able to send newsletters, which are broadcast emails, right? So in the future, let's say you have something to share about your lead magnet or about the resource that you're sharing in your squeeze page, you can set up an email and send it to people who have this specific tag. Okay, so let's say my tag here is lead magnet leads, right? Now, if I want, I can add more actions. For example, I can also subscribe them to a campaign. I can send them one email. I can enroll them into a course. I can grant access to a system-wide community, or I can enroll them to a course bundle. I can even revoke access to a community. I can even revoke access to a course bundle. I can revoke access to a course. So there are a bunch of actions that you can carry out, but the most common one that I use a lot is adding a tag and subscribing them to a campaign or sending them an email. Okay, so for example, if your squeeze page has a lead magnet that you're giving away and they're giving you the email address for that, then you either add them to a campaign where they will receive an email confirming their registration or delivering their lead magnet. Or if you don't want to add them to a campaign where you can add more emails inside a campaign, you just want to send them a one-time email, then you can just click here on send email. Okay, so it totally depends on your preference. If you want to send them a one-time email, you can select from the emails that you have already created before, or simply create a new email. If in case you want to add them to a specific campaign, you first need to go ahead and create a campaign. Then once you have already created a campaign, you'll click here on subscribe to campaign and then select the campaign here. Now, if you want to go ahead and create your campaign, then you will have to click here on emails, campaign, and then click on create a campaign. So this step must be done first before you go into your funnel automation rules and add them to a campaign. To learn further about setting up campaigns and setting up emails inside your campaign, I have a separate video that you can go ahead and check it out. So I hope this video is helpful, and if you have further questions about adding tags or anything else, just let me know in the comments below.